Quadratic equation. Standard form or general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0 and x is the variable. Value of x is unknown. Now, what is the degree of this equation? Here, highest degree is 2. So, we can say that this is a second degree equation. That is, quadratic equation is a second degree equation. So, we got the point as quadratic equation is a second degree equation. First point. Next, how many variables are there in this equation? Here, x is the only variable, that is one variable. Okay, so we got one more point. What is that? Quadratic equation is a one variable equation. Quadratic equation is a second degree equation and quadratic equation is a one variable equation. Now we got the definition for quadratic equation, isn't it now? By comparing these 2 points, we can say that a second degree equation in one variable is known as quadratic equation. Second degree equation in one variable. A second degree equation in one variable is known as quadratic equation. That is the definition. Next, we can explain why a not equal to 0. Why this condition? We know that standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we can see what will happen if a is equal to 0. We can substitute a is equal to 0 in the standard equation. Okay. When a equal to 0, substitute a is equal to 0 in this equation. That is 0 into x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. 0 into x square is 0 plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is bx plus c equal to 0. Now, what's the degree of this equation? 1. Isn't it now? Here highest degree is 1. Here degree equal to 1. 1 degree equation is known as linear equation. So this is linear equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Now that is the reason for this condition a not equal to 0. Okay. Next we can see what will happen to this equation when b is equal to 0. Substitute b is equal to 0 in this equation. Ax square plus 0 into x plus c is equal to 0. That is ax square plus 0 into x is 0 plus c is equal to 0. That is ax square plus c is equal to 0. Now, what's the degree of this equation? Again, this is a second degree equation. That is quadratic equation. But this type of equations are known as pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation.